So about a month ago, I got asked a question here on YouTube. Am I a photographer, or do I just enjoy taking photos? It's had me thinking ever since, not just the answer, but the fact is I've never really introduced myself properly here on YouTube. I've been creating videos on this platform for just over 2 years. Whilst early on I produced a video talking about why I was on this platform, I never really introduced myself properly, who I really am. No time like the present, I guess. Might as well start with the basics. Neil Stevens, yes, that is my name. I am 6'4" tall, which means it's a pain in the bum when I'm trying to get myself into frame when I'm talking to you standing still. And I'm 41 years of age, although I really don't act it. Life is too short, in my opinion. You might as well enjoy yourself, mightn't you? I grew up in southeast London, lived there for about 30 years before moving out deeper into Kent, where I still live to this day, and absolutely love having this amazing countryside very much on my doorstep. Away from photography, my interests are very much of a sporting nature, football and motor racing mainly, although to be honest, watching more than actively taking part. I did used to do a little bit of long distance running many years ago though. Photography though is something I've always enjoyed, even if I didn't realise it. In my 20s I used to love going travelling each summer, simple city breaks or going further afield, places like Switzerland or New Zealand. Whenever I went on those trips I'd always take a disposable camera, point and shoot camera, because of course when you go on these trips you love being able to capture memories, don't you? In 2013, and I inherited a lens from a family member, the Canon 75 to 30mm, not the best lens that Canon have ever produced. When you've got a lens though, you need a camera, so I went out and purchased the Canon 100D, just an entry-level camera in all honesty, and I've actually still got it at home. I occasionally go out and use it, not too often these days, to be honest. If I am being honest though, I was a little bit too scared to use it, didn't know how to use it, so for the most part when I went out and took photos, more often than not, I'd use my phone. The Canon DSLR on the other hand would sit in its bag, gathering dust. Then COVID, then the pandemic showed up, and on a personal note, a couple of life-changing moments really happened for me. It really helped to improve my lifestyle. Photography was one of the biggest impacts. Just after the pandemic in 2021, I went away on holiday to Cornwall, staying in a cottage just up the top from a beach. I thought on a whim, on a last-minute whim, take the dust-covered camera, take it out of the bag and take it on the trip with me. After all, could maybe learn to shoot some long exposures whilst capturing a sunset or two. Basically, I got hooked on the Cornish coast, and when I went home, I made myself the promise to learn everything I could about photography, watching videos from the likes of Thomas Heaton, and what you see now is basically my progression ever since 2021. This is a spot that I've loved coming back to ever since I set up my YouTube channel, which, thinking about it, was roughly 2 years ago now. Time really does fly, doesn't it? It's a proper hidden little gem, just down by the river, just downstream actually from my hometown. And it's a spot where I've been able to capture a proper variety of shots from in the past, whether that's during the day, or where I've come out during golden hour and back for sunrise again. Came down here last year for sunrise and probably got one of my best ever golden hour, one of my best ever sunrise shots. I even captured a shot here during blue hour, which is a time of the day that I never usually get on with. So I'm super proud of that image. It's probably for reasons like what I've just mentioned that I enjoy coming down here so often. But it's this scene here. This is one of the big reasons why this is one of my favourite places to come out and photograph anywhere that I've been out previously. And of course, you've got in the background, you've got Rochester Castle that just dominates the landscape, dominates the river. But as well, here in the foreground, we've got this burnt out wreck. It's always been a subject that I've enjoyed coming back to shoot time and time again, and it just creates a lovely it creates a lovely subject for the foreground. It makes, when I'm shooting this scene, it means that I don't have too much negative space all in this foreground until you kind of get back to the river. And this morning I've even got these frosty long grasses. It's a bit of a chilly morning out here today. I've got these frosty long grasses kind of acting as a bit of a leading line off deep into the shot. All we're missing now is a bit of beautiful sunrise colour. We've got a bit of yellow in the background, a few magentas over to the right, so hopefully something's going to happen. And once again, I'll get some beautiful sunrise, some beautiful golden hour light. In answer to the question that I got given and mentioned at the start of this video, I consider myself to be an amateur photographer. I've got no interest in turning professional, not that I'm good enough to do so in my opinion. But as a result, of course, I enjoy taking photos. I wouldn't do this hobby if I didn't, to be completely honest. And that, in short, is who I am. Goodbye.